Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mal and today I'm going to be doing a video with Niawigs. Yay! So you guys might be able to see what's sticking out of this package. It is a pink wig. I am so freaking excited. First of all, I've always wanted a pink wig. Second of all, I absolutely love doing wig videos. I have a new obsession for trying different hairstyles. If you guys saw the video where I styled and colored this hair, you know that I have a love for like creating a look. So I'm really excited to be creating a look with Niawigs and trying this headband wig on for you guys. So I wanted to also start off by saying that my favorite thing about a headband wig is that you do not need to be a professional. You do not need to have any skills in order to apply this. It is the easiest wig to apply and it actually looks the most natural in my opinion because you don't have to fuss with like the baby hairs, the lace, the leave out, none of that. It literally is just a headband at the front and hair in the back, so it looks like it's growing out of your head. This wig I'm gonna be styling, installing, showing you guys how I put it on, and then also giving you a couple Halloween ideas because it's pink, it's October, and I thought, why not show you guys some fun, easy ideas that you can do just by switching up your look. So I have a whole bunch of headbands to try on. I'm going to show you guys how I style it, and I also have a discount code so you can save off of your purchase from Niawigs. I will put it on the screen and I will, tell you throughout the video how you can save money with Niawigs. I know Halloween is going to be different this year because of the whole pandemic thing going on, but it doesn't mean you can't still dress up and create a cute look and have fun, whether it be by yourself, handing out candy, or just getting a picture for Instagram, who knows. Also, you guys, this hair that I'm wearing right now is from Niawigs, and this wig is a skin-based wig, so it has the skin kind of look at the top. I actually didn't even lay the lace down, I just really threw it on because I'm gonna be putting this wig on for you guys. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to show you guys the packaging, show you how beautiful it came, the specs of the wig, and then I'm going to be styling it and trying it on for you guys. So let's do it. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have much more content coming for you guys, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I create with this wig. So let's do it.
Dice on the beat.
So Niawigs had some special packaging for this one. This packaging was purple and gold, absolutely beautiful, and the wig inside was packaged with the headband options. Typically, you'll receive about 4 headband options. I did get a few extras in there. There's some stiff headbands, and then there's also the soft, stretchy cotton ones, and they both look great with this wig. My favorite was the black one and these patterned ones in the white and black. As mentioned, the wig will come with a headband attached to it and additional headbands for you to change the style or look. The hair felt really nice and soft. This is a human hair wig, and the back of the headband has a Velcro clasp so that you can adjust it to fit the size of your head. The internal cap construction has multiple combs and adjustable straps at the back so you can fit it exactly to your head size. So I did actually do a little bit of a pink makeup look. I have been so boring and just like so neutral that I thought since I have this fun pink wig, I should do some pink eyeshadow, so I hope you guys like it. I am actually a makeup artist, this isn't my best work, so don't judge me. Anyway, I'm opening this up and we're gonna pop it on. Like I said, this wig that I have on my head right now is actually from Niawigs as well. Let's just take it off so I can show you. We're just gonna pop this off. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. I will link it down below. My discount code works on this wig as well. I did actually dye it myself, but they have many styles that are already pre-dyed. And my hair is just kind of like braided in 2 braids. This is usually how I like to do my wig installs. Even with a headband wig, I just kind of like to flatten my hair underneath. So my hair is in 2 braids, and then I just have like some random pieces left out, but that's okay. We're literally just gonna like wrap up my hair like that. Pop my wig cap on. Stuff my hair underneath the wig cap. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you should definitely try to get your hair a little bit flat, and the wig cap really helps with this because it helps your hair to just kind of lay down to your head. So this is my wig from Niawigs. This is how it came fresh out the box. I am gonna do like a little style of it, so I'll maybe straighten her or curl her. I haven't decided yet, but we're gonna pop this on, and it has the Velcro strap here. I am going to, oh, I'm so excited. You guys, I actually haven't really worn pink hair before. Not this color pink at least. I have like an orangey pink, but this is like a pink pink. So let's go ahead and put this on. Oh my gosh. So there are combs in here that I'm just going to go ahead and push in. And then I'm gonna take these two little Velcro flaps and attach them at the back. Wow. So with other headband wigs, I usually leave out some baby hairs at the front, but with this one, I'm not sure if I want to, just because the hair is obviously pink and my hair is black, so I think I might not. Ooh, she's so cute. And this is human hair. It curls and straightens really well. That's the one thing about Niawigs. I'm always very impressed with their hair quality. And of course, as you guys know, colored hair like this has been processed a couple times because it has been bleached blonde and then colored. So to find colored hair that is like holding curl and maintaining its natural texture is definitely impressive. So of course, it is a headband wig. This is the natural headband it came with, but they also sent me quite a few other options for headbands. So I'm going to show you guys the other headbands that I got with this wig. I'm going to try them on, and then I'm going to show you guys my Halloween ideas to go along with this wig. So let's try on the headbands. Okay, my loves, so I'm going to try on all of the headbands that I got sent with this wig. I do believe that with the headband wing you have an option of 4 headbands, but I did request a few others just so I could show you guys. So I'm not exactly sure what options you'll have on the website, but these are the ones that I got, and I'm really excited to try them on. This one that I'm wearing is actually the first option. So this is one of those thicker, stiff headbands, and you really are just placing it directly over the black headbands the wig comes with. I think this is so cute. Let's try on the next one, which is kind of similar, but in a champagne color. This part up and then place it on. So that way you can't see the actual headband underneath. And then this part you can scrunch it up. Boom. This is super cute also. Okay, and the last of the more stiffer headbands is this white one. Oh, this is cute. Yes. I don't know why, but I really love the way this one looks. I think this is so cute. And for the more cloth headbands, these ones I really love. I'm gonna try on this cow one first because I think it's so cute. So these do fit a little bit better on the wig, I find, because they're stretchy. So you can really hide the headband with these. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. What do you guys think of these headbands? Which one is your favorite? And do you like this pink wig? Would you wear it? I definitely feel like it's good for a Halloween look. And like I said, it's no fuss. You saw I literally put it on in like 2 minutes and it looks like it could be my hair. So, love it. Yes, you guys, so I absolutely love all of these headbands. I think my favorite is this one that I'm wearing and this one here. I just think they're so cute, and the black and white kind of like edgy patterns really go with the look of this pink wig. I kind of feel like Doja Cat or like Nicki Minaj, so I'm excited to show you guys what Halloween costumes I have come up with to go with this wig that are really simple, really easy, and you can kind of just like throw them together. I hope that they help you this Halloween season. So let's jump into that part of the video and I will catch you guys later. So my first idea is to be Wanda from Fairly Odd Parents. This would definitely work best if you have somebody who can dress up as Cosmo and do green hair. I think that would be super cute. I actually didn't have a yellow shirt, but if you have a yellow shirt, that would make the perfect outfit to go with this costume, and it's super easy. You can just kind of throw it together. So my second idea is to be a kitty cat. I know how typical for a girl to dress up as a cat on Halloween, but with the headband wig, I think this would be super cute if you could get some little fake ears, those little headband ones that they sell at Party City or wherever they sell Halloween costumes would work perfectly with this, and you can literally wear whatever you want and just throw on some little fake whiskers. So yes, you guys, that was a couple really quick, simple, easy Halloween costume ideas for you guys using this pink wig from Niawigs. Now, of course, you do not need to have a pink wig to complete your look, but if you wanted to try colored hair, I think Halloween is the perfect time to try it. Or if you genuinely just want to rock a fun, colorful hairstyle, then honestly, I would highly recommend this one. My last Halloween looks that I'm going to show you are a little bit more elaborate, and I actually want you to go to my Instagram to check them out. So head over to my Instagram. My Instagram is Mallory with 2 E's. I will put it on the screen and link it in the description. And that is where you can see my final Halloween looks with this pink hair from Niawigs. So as always, my loves, I appreciate you so much for watching this video. Just to let you know again, the headband wig that I'm wearing right now is 12 inches. It's human hair. It has no lace, which makes for an extremely easy install. And you can use my discount code Mallory to save you some money off of your purchase from Niawigs. I will link all of the information on where you can get this wig below in the description bar. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. And like I said, if you want to check out my other Halloween looks that I'm doing with this wig, go to my Instagram. They will be uploaded there, and they're gonna be pretty awesome because I really spent some time doing my makeup to create those looks for you. Big thanks to Niawigs for sending me this awesome hair. I can't wait to get started on more Halloween looks. If you guys know what you're gonna be for Halloween, drop your comment down below in the comment section because I'm having a hard time picking what I want to be, and I'd love to hear your guys' ideas. Thanks again. Bye.